Welcome to Sauce and Company, the show where we do the learning for you and we make the mistakes so you guys don't have to at home. I'm wearing the Team Mexico national jersey because in today's episode, we're gonna be cooking probably like the least Mexican thing ever. We're gonna be cooking tuna casserole. This is my mom's legendary recipe. I promised her that someday I was gonna share it with the world. She learned about it in 1969. I don't know if she made it herself or someone gave it to her. You can ask her, but it's great. It's my favorite thing in the world. And Trevor's gonna try to cook it, and he's gonna explain to you that he doesn't know what a casserole is. Anyways, what can I say? I had a lot of fun making this one. I felt like I was at home. Check it out.
All right, y'all, we're back in my super regular kitchen, just like the one you guys got at home, if not better. And today, guys, we are making tuna casserole. Okay, in Minnesota, where I grew up, there's a debate whether it's hot dish or casserole. It doesn't matter to me because I never had either one. This is gonna be my first time seeing a casserole, let alone eating one and making one. We are using Kathleen's recipe, John's mom's recipe. Kathleen, I'm really sorry if I butcher this thing. If you just watch this and you're just like cringing the whole time, like, what is he doing? But like I said, I've never even seen a casserole. I have no idea what this is supposed to end up like. You know, I really understand that this is John's favorite meal that you ever prepared. So I know I have some high expectations to live up to. So I'm really gonna just try my best. But anyway, let's get right into it. So the first step was to cook our noodles. We used about 3/4 pound of egg noodles. We cooked that off camera. There's really just boring stuff, so we didn't really show it to you. So now that we have that cooked up, we're gonna use all these other ingredients and mix them up into our dish. And we'll check back with you guys before it goes into the oven. All right, y'all, now that we have everything nice and mixed together, look at that beautifulness. We got the breadcrumbs on top. Hopefully they'll get nice and crunchy, so we got a nice little crunchy thing to bite into. Make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees. I did that while I was mixing everything, and once we pop it in there, we're gonna let it be there for 30 minutes. At that time, we're gonna take it out, mix it up a little bit, and bake it for 5 more minutes, and then we'll be done. So we're almost ready to eat. Let's get to it. Finally are done with the tuna casserole. We pulled it out of the oven, we served it up, we are ready to eat it. And at this point, it just kind of looks like pasta with tuna and breadcrumbs. And but yeah, I don't really know what this is supposed to look like. Kathleen, please let me know. Is this right? I don't know. I mean, I heard that there was supposed to be some type of crunchiness on the top, and I'm not really seeing that from this. I'm really excited to try this out, but I'm more excited to see what John thinks of it because he's gonna be the true judge of this masterpiece that I've just made. Thank you so much for joining us once again on one of our tutorials. Just a quick shout out to everybody who shows us so much love. Really, John and I, Man, we just are so grateful, so grateful. Stay tuned, we got a lot more stuff coming out, and like always, be easy, y'all. I'll catch you on the flip.